That tiny date on the back of your plastic card is staring you down. The deadline is creeping closer, and you really do not want to spend your afternoon stuck in traffic or sitting in a crowded government office. But here is the reality of living in a digital first world. The days of endless paperwork and waiting for your number to be called are officially over. The Emirates has transformed this entire chore into something you can finish while you are waiting for your lunch to arrive. The first and most important rule is to stay alert. Do not ever click on those random links that pop up in your text messages or your social media feeds. Scammers are out there. They are waiting for someone in a rush to make a mistake. You must go directly to the official government portal for the Ministry of Interior. It is the only way to ensure your data stays secure and your money goes to the right place. Once you arrive at that official site, search for the section dedicated to driver services. You will see a button to start the process. And this is where your digital identity comes into play. That special mobile pass is the master key to your entire life in this country. It is your virtual signature and your proof of residence all rolled into one. If you have not set it up yet, do not let that stop you. The portal will walk you through the registration steps using your mobile number or your national identity card. It is a quick one-time setup that unlocks every government service you could ever need. Once you are logged in, the system already knows who you are. It is incredibly efficient. You will likely need to verify that you have passed your eye examination. Most of the certified clinics across the country upload these results to the central database automatically. So you just need to confirm that the information is correct. Take a second to look over your personal details. Check your mailing address carefully. Make sure your contact information is up to date, so there are no delays. Then comes the part that everyone expects, paying the renewal fees. This is also the moment to settle any outstanding traffic fines that might be linked to your file. You cannot move forward until the slate is clean, but you can handle all of it right there with a few taps on your screen. It is fast, it is encrypted, and it is remarkably simple. The moment that payment is processed, the weight is off your shoulders. You will receive a digital version of your renewed license almost instantly. It will be sent to your email or appear directly in your mobile app. It is a fully legal document that you can show whenever it is requested. However, if you still prefer the feel of a physical card in your wallet, you have options. You can choose to have the new license mailed directly to your front door. Or you can stop by a designated traffic center and pick it up from an automated kiosk at your convenience. The entire journey is designed to be painless. No stress, no wasted time, just a modern solution for a busy life. You really do not need to worry about the process anymore. The system is built to guide you every step of the way. Just keep your digital credentials handy and stay on top of those dates. It is a perfect example of how technology can actually give you your time back. And in a fast-paced city, that is the most valuable thing you can have. No more hunting for stamps. No more printing out forms. Just you and your device. Getting things done on your own schedule. That is the way it should be.